Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix phone call dialer contacts option missing problem. Okay, let's start the video. Follow my all steps. First, long press on phone call dialer option. Click on F info. Now click on force stop, then OK. Click on storage and cache. Now clear cache or clear storage. Now back and click on Play Store app. Now update Phone by Google app. Finally, Phone by Google app is updated. Now back and restart your device. Then open Phone by Google app and finally show contact option. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video.